Hi, I'm Huiming and this is my family. It's been 7 years since we immigrated here. Here are my second and third daughters. Both were born here. After their birth, my life totally changed, and I also changed. Before, a job was just a job. Life was only living. Now I think there's something more important. When customers pick up their order, I think of what else we can do for them so they can get home safely. When we deliver their order, I think of how to bring more happiness so everyone can enjoy a beautiful life in this beautiful country. We live, we love, we are Decoraport.